Hi Nora and all my other left-hand crocheters. This super beginner lesson is just for you. All you need is your G hook and some yarn, and we're going to get busy on chaining, single crocheting, turning, and next we'll do circles and double crochet and all kinds of things. But get these chaining and single crochets down and you will have your foundation to crochet whatever you want. So let's get started and keep practicing, and I will see you at the end of these videos. Bye-bye. Okay, we are going to do left-handed crochet. This is for my niece, Nora. I still do my slip knot right-handed, and if you would like a video on that, go check out my super beginner slip knot video. And now we're going to switch over to our left hand. We are going to do our chain, and this is how I hold my yarn. I hold the yarn between my two fingers, and I grab with my ring finger and my thumb. I grab right here by the hook, and what you do is you slip through under the yarn and pull through. This is the chain. Now I'm gonna look like a beginner right now as well, because I am when it comes to left-handed. So we're gonna make our chain. This is the first left-handed video. Now I'm probably not holding my hook correctly. I'm gonna try to hold it a little different. And you just grab your yarn, loop it through, and twist your hook as you come through the hole. After you get about 2 or 3 stitches, you want to move your ring finger and your thumb up on your yarn and slide your fingers out, and then you slip under and grab your yarn and slip through the hole, and you grab your yarn and slip through the hole, and then you move your fingers up and you keep going, and you just keep going, and you move up and you keep going. Now if you are a beginner left-handed crochet artist, this is for you, and you can learn from these beginner videos. I'm going to go into the single crochet next, and then the double crochet. We're going to turn on the single crochet first, and I'll probably get those done today, but not the double, not yet. So if you are a beginner and you're left-handed crochet, you want to learn how to do this chain. Train your brain into muscle memory before you move on to the next step. Okay? So before you move on to anything else, make sure you can make a chain, tie it into a bracelet. You can make little hair dangles and put some beads on it if you like. You can just make some chains for fun. There's lots of things you can do with them, or you can just practice with them and then pull them out. So you just keep going on your chain, and see, when you get further away from your fingers, you lose control. See, I just went completely off, messed that stitch up. So you want to keep your fingers up close to where you're working. Whether you're right or left-handed, keep your fingers holding your work up close to your work. And your hook is automatically going to turn after a while. Okay? So practice that, and then come back for the video on single crochet left-handed super beginner. And I'm so excited to be teaching you. Have a really great day. Bye-bye.